yeah. Throw the cash up high, so yeah. That ass put me on the jet ski. She won't fuck a country, ain't Wayne Gretzky. The real thing. I don't wanna do it if it's not the real thing. She don't wanna do it if you ain't got the bill paid. All my boss bitches know I got the bill paid. Bad bitches, you don't want the real thing. I don't wanna do it if it's not the real thing. She don't wanna do it if you ain't got the bill paid. All my boss bitches know I got the bill paid. Hi guys, it's me, Ebony Latoya, and I am back with another video. I am back with another video. What's up guys? How you doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. This video is going to be on my current protective style, which is what I have in my head right now, which are kinky twists, and I love it so much. I've had them on for 3 weeks now, but I wanted to come and do a video to tell you why I did these kinky twists and what my routine is for them. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. Okay, so I wrote down a bunch of questions that I think that you guys would ask me if you were to see me maybe on the street, or if you were to comment on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm gonna post my little my tag right here. But I definitely wanted to create a video just in case people had questions on protective styling and how I did my protective styling in the future, or maybe just in general. So I just was like, hey, why not just create a video? So I'm creating this video today. So the first question that I have down is, who did my hair? Now, it was me and my girl Eman. Hey Eman! She helped me do my hair. It was a really quick process when I did it with 2 people rather than just me doing it by myself. Normally I'd either get my mom to do it or I would do it by myself, and normally for me it takes about 2 days because I stop in between for breaks, or it would take approximately 8 hours. But for me and her, it took us about 4 hours, which is half the time, and I feel like we could have been done sooner, but we were having a lot of fun listening to music, popping bottles. We were doing the most, so I feel like we could have done this in like 2 hours because it was super simple and super easy. I didn't want anything too neat. I just wanted it to be quick and easy and simple. But yeah, it took us about 4 hours to do them. Next question is, what hair did you use? So the hair that I use, I'm going to show you it actually right now. This is the hair that I use. It's from the makers of Expressions, but this brand is called Sensational, the African collection, and this one is the Jamaican locks. It's 100% Kanekalong, and it is 44 inches long. I know, it's really long. And the color is number 2, color number 2. And what me and Eman did was just take the packaging out. It normally comes in like I forgot how it came, and I had to cut it in half because 44 inches is way too long, honey. So I cut it in half, and this is what I got from it. As you can see, my length is a little bit past my boobies and my boobs. My breastises. The next question is, how many packs of hair did I use to get this style? We used 1.5 packs of hair. So from the bag that I showed you, 1 of that, and then half of the hair that was inside. So I feel like the main question that people would ask is, why would you do this protective style? Like, why would you put in kinky twists into your hair? Well, 2 reasons. Just me being the way that I am, I'm a person, if I have my natural hair out, I want it to look good every single day. And for it to look good every single day, you know, have a really good style, I would have to style, and by style I mean doing braid outs or twist out or whatever style every single night. And that is to make sure that my hair, my curls look fresh and poppin'. That's the only way that I could do it, because for me, what I've noticed is if I do, let's say, a braid out and I wear it throughout the day, and then at nighttime I put on just a satin bonnet, my hair doesn't look the same as it did in day one, and it shrinks, and I just don't like how it looks the second day hair. So for me, myself, and I have to style my hair every night to get my hair to look the same, and it's very tiring because I myself am also a lazy natural, so I don't like to style my hair every night. If I don't style my hair at night, the next day my hair would be in a high bun. When my hair is done, I feel like ebony, like I feel like me. I feel like it's fashion for me. It's my style. It makes me unique. Spice, like, you know, spicy. A little Salt Bae, just a little spicy. And my second reason is because I wake up really, really early in the mornings for work, so it takes a lot of time to take down those styles. My braid outs or my twist outs, it takes up a lot of time, and I can use that for sleep. To be really, really honest, I could be sleeping in my bed like 30 minutes extra because I don't have to take down my hair. So that's also one of the reasons why. So for my nightly routine, all I did really was just, you know, put on a satin bonnet because I still didn't want to, you know, damage my own hair. Even though my hair is somewhere in here, I didn't want to like sleep on my sheets on my bed, on my pillow, and have them, you know, rub against my own natural hair, because that is still damaging. So I put on my satin bonnet so I can still protect my hair whilst it's in this protective style, even though the protective style is kind of protecting my hair. I wanted that extra protection. I always put on my satin bonnet at nights, and then in the mornings, that's when I would do kind of like my morning routine. Instead of using the 30 minutes that I had to take down my styles, my braid outs, my twist outs, I can sleep a little bit more. And then also I would save about 5 minutes to do a little bit of a routine. So what I did was to use my leave-in conditioner, and I will also list my leave-in conditioner down below. I rub that into my scalp, so I rub it all into my scalp. And then I also use the leave-in conditioner for the kinky twist itself and rubbing it into my kinky twist, because my hair is still approximately like this much into the braid or into the twist. So I still want to moisturize and keep that hair moisturized as well while it's in the protective style. So I would take sections like this, and then I would grab like a big dollop of leave-in conditioner, and rubbing and squeezing at the same time to get the product into my kinky twist. Then I would use my Jamaican black castor oil, and I will also rub that into my scalp as well, just to kind of seal in that moisture from the leave-in conditioner, and then also just to add a little bit more of that thick moisture, especially since it's still cold here in Canada. You know, spring is kind of trying to make its way through, but it's still cold. So yes, I use that extra moisture for my scalp as well. And then the final question, what is next? So if you're taking this down, Ebony, what are you gonna do next? So I want to try my hand at mini twists. So I want to do the mini twists with my natural hair. I've done them before when my hair is a lot shorter, but I want to try them now that my hair is a little bit longer, just to see what if that will be really beneficial for me. I just want to not have to deal with my hair, not have to do anything with styling. I just want to be low maintenance as possible for right now. So I want to try my hand at mini twists again and see how that will do. So that is what my next protective style is going to be, and obviously once I do them, I will definitely share that journey with you as well. And that is it for my video, for my current protective style. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.